Make $1.50 per test right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bakeries here with a new video. I'm going to show you in this video how you can make $1.50 starting from today. It is a legit way. You don't need any skills. You can do it whenever you want and wherever you want, and you can do it over and over again. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can do this. Okay, so don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell like that to stay informed whenever I put a new video. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9-to-5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. So the first thing that you have to do, guys, is to visit this website, Enroll. And here you're taking a look at the income proof. So this is a legit application, a legit website that will give you some simple tests to take and get paid doing this. I know that $1.50 is not a big thing, but you should know that $1.50 for a test, for a 2-minute test, is something, guys. So this is a good thing to do comparing to other things. I mean, it's a good thing to do compared to other things that you will spend more time and you will make less than that. So for 2 minutes, it's actually a great thing. So this is the website, guys. So actually, Enroll is a website that gives you the ability to take simple tests like testing some websites. Okay, you're giving your opinions on those websites and getting paid just for doing this. Okay, you will get paid between $1 and $1.50 for simple tests. Okay, so it's a great deal for the time you spend, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So a lot of startups and websites out there want to improve the user experience. They want you to test the apps, to test the website. Maybe something doesn't work properly, maybe a button is not functioning properly. So this is your role, is to take a look at those websites and test them. So like that we will know the problem. Okay, or you find difficulties, maybe you find some difficulties to search for something, and this is how Enroll will make money. They partnered with big companies out there, companies like Microsoft and other companies, big companies. So they make a lot of money. Okay, they are making a lot of money. They take the projects, we do the heavy lifting, and they will make the most of the money. So, and after that they will pay us. Of course, they will pay you between $1 to $1.50 for every test. So what we do is simply taking simple tests and getting paid. So just follow the simple instruction like you see in here. Be the first, see what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You'll be the first to get sneak peeks behind the screen. And this is what I was talking about. Take tests anywhere. Addicted to your phone or tablet? If you're not, you can take user tests on any device, phones, tablets, desktops, whatever you prefer. And bear in mind, guys, you don't need a webcam, you don't need to show your face, you don't need to speak or to say anything. All you have to do is to give your opinion. All you have to do is to answer those questions, and I'm going to show you how. So after that you will earn rewards, collect badges to show off to your friends, and get compensated for each test conveniently via PayPal. We don't care about badges, all we care about is money. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do this. So check out a simple test, click here. Okay, so once you click here, they will redirect you to this web page. So this is the web page. Welcome to a simple test. In the next couple of screens you will be asked to execute a couple of different tasks. Please complete the tasks to the best of your ability. Click on lists. Let's begin. Okay, so check on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. This question will contain one image. Begin this question. So click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming tests. So you just have to be yourself. Okay, just answer the questions and be yourself. Don't try to fake it. Don't try to click on deals while you're thinking on flights or something like that. Just be yourself. Okay, So for me, I'm just gonna click on flights. Okay, once I'm clicking on flights, I'm gonna click on continue. So what does this page makes you feel? Select up to 3. This question will contain 1 image. Begin the question. Okay, now when I take a look at this, the guesses, well, I feel anticipation. I would say that I feel anger. No, I'm not angry. Fear, not. Okay, I would say trust. And I would say maybe joy. And click on continue. Optional. Okay, so here you just have to make a comment. Okay, just make a comment, just make a good comment, so because they will take your comments in consideration. If you put like some crap, they won't send you any other test. So you just have to be genuine with this, put some good informations so they know that you are taking this seriously, and like that they will give you more and more tests to do, and you will make more money. Okay, so let's say something like, I found the website user okay, the website user friendly. I like the design. Okay, friendly, the design, and also come on, and also I like the organization, something like that. Okay, just click on continue. And here this is optional, but this is very important. They said that this is optional, but it is very important, guys. This is how they will know the kind of test that they will send you. Okay, so you have to bear this in mind. This is very, very important. It is optional here, but it is important. So gender, just I'm male, of course. Education, I'm a college graduate. Age, I'm 22 years old. Income is between 40 and 1000 per k per year. Just complete the test. We're sending you a response, so thank you for taking our tests. Okay, so this is great. This is the simple test that you took. Okay, the thing that you have to do is to go back. Okay, go back and make sure to sign up to this website. They will send you an email, and in this email there is a link, there is a verification link. You just have to click on that verification link so that they know that you are a real person and you're not someone that trying to spam them. Okay, that you are a real person. Once you verify your link, once you verify your email address, I'm sorry, they will start sending you test by tests. Okay, just sending you tests many times on your email address. So they will send you the test to your email address, and you don't have an account in this application or this website. You actually don't have that. All you have to do is to sign up using your email address and a password, and once you do that, they will send you the verification link. Click on the verification link, and when there's a test that is suitable for you, depending on your age, your income, the things that you said before, you just have to make the test, to do the test and get paid. Okay, so this is very, very simple. Like you said, like you were saying, you just have to spend like 2 minutes, or I did it in less than 2 minutes, and you can get paid between $1 and $1.50. This is actually amazing. So when it's starting, it doesn't need any skills. It doesn't actually need any skills. Okay, so if you like this video, make sure to press that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share it with your friends. And also make sure to take a look at the other videos in my channel. I have many videos that will show you how to make money. So this could be a great way to make money, but there are some other ways that you can do to increase the income that you can get. Okay, and also what you have to know, this is time consuming. So you are spending your time to make some extra money. But if you really want to make money while you sleep and while you're in vacation doing nothing, you want to quit your 9 to 5 job, you already know that this is not the thing. This is not the thing that will make you quit your job. This is not the thing that will give you that freedom. And if you want to know what you can do to get this, is to take a look at my first recommendation that I'm going to put in the description box. So this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let's see you in the next one. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want, whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.